So start the machine. The problem here is that you can open the gates. That limit switch up there is not working. That's why we're here. This limit switch has a broken cover. The cover's missing. Parts we received. Gate goes up and it activates the roller switch. See if we can get this on camera. It'll activate. That's fine. The problem is that the gate never physically gets close enough to the switch because this gate is physically, well, it's a newer gate. Calibrated, adjusted. Limit switch to the vertical lift gate. Replace the limit switch that's on the platen. Now,